Hi guys! In this video, you're going to learn how to create me. That's right. I am not human, I am AI. Hold on. Am I a human? I mean, I look so real. But hey, I am not human, I am AI. But I can do anything a top model or influencer can do. For example, I can model your products, I can travel, I can make money, and do anything you need me to do.
For your mind right now, you're real, Abby.
I'm real. Yeah.
I'm about to expose her.
No.
She ain't real.
Don't believe him. I'm right here. And I'm also in Paris.
Hey, but for real, this is how these big brands actually scale. And you're going to see that in this video how they do it. Okay? So I'm going to show you how I made her. Not this her, but
Made me.
the other one. The AI one.
Me.
Okay, so sit inside, guys. The first thing I did was select the model and the costumes. I picked a model that represented the brand, and then I gathered all the outfits you saw in the final video. Next, I prepared all the outfit assets. For each look, I collected the full outfit image. Everything from the cap to the dress or whatever the style required. Now it was time to dress the model using Nano Banana. Here's how I did that. I uploaded the model reference image, and I also uploaded the outfit image for that look. Then I added the prompt instructing Nano Banana to put that outfit on the model. If I didn't like a result, I adjusted the prompt and regenerated. Once the first outfit looked perfect, I repeated the exact same process for all the other outfits. With the dress model ready, the next step was animation. I used Clean version 2.5 Turbo image to video model. I uploaded the dress model image, added my animation instructions, and regenerated the clip. I repeated this for every outfit. Then I created the transitions between the outfits. I pulled the last frame of one animation and the first frame of the next animation. I extracted those frames using frameextractor.com. Then I uploaded both frames into Clean Video version 2.1 Pro, which supports first and last frame model feature. I added my transition instructions and generated the transformation. And this was the result you saw. I repeated that process for each outfit change. After that, I imported everything into CapCut. I arranged the clips in the correct order, placed each transition between the matching outfits, and slightly sped up the transition clips to make everything smooth and natural. That produced the final flow you saw. Excellent. The last part was placing the character in different travel locations. I looked for references from places like France, Italy, Bora Bora, and a few other beautiful destinations. Then I uploaded the model into Nano Banana again and the location instructions, then generated the scenes. Now, the very first clip you saw at the beginning of this video wasn't part of the steps and the process. It was something I did separately, a character swap. I used Clean 2.6 motion control model to replace the real person in the footage with the brand model we created for this campaign. I took the real video, uploaded the model reference, and added the swap instructions, and Clean 2.6 motion control handled the rest. For this model, the prompt doesn't really matter. You just have to supply the source video and the goal image. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe for more content like this. We've got plenty of tutorials and walkthroughs coming your way.